Adani Enterprises has also reported its Q4 and full-year FY24 financials, while the company saw its full-year EBITDA rise 32% to 13,237 crores. Meanwhile, profit before tax for the full year came in at 5,640 crore rupees. In terms of quarterly numbers, while the EBITDA stood at 3,646 crores versus 3,974 crores in the same period last year.
AE's new emerging core infra businesses under its incubation portfolio of energy and utility, transport, logistics, comprising of Adani new industry ecosystem, airports and roads, are making significant strides in their operational and financial performance. The contribution of these assets to overall EBITDA is now at 45% for this year, as compared to 40% in 23. During financial year 24, the new emerging business under AE's incubation portfolio demonstrated significant growth. ANIL green hydrogen ecosystem revenue increased by 145% to 8,741 crore, and EBITDA increased by over 4.5 times to 2,296 crore. Airport business revenue grew by 35% to 8,062 crore, and EBITDA grew by 45% to 2,437 crore. Total income of incubating businesses increased sharply by over 66% to 24,510 crore, with EBITDA increasing by 47% to 5,942 crore, while total profit before tax increased by 100% to 2,643 crore. The consistent and high contribution of these emerging businesses boosted the overall profits of AEL. Consolidated EBITDA for this year increased by 32% to 13,237 crore, while profit before tax rose by 56% to 5,642 crores. Consolidated income stood at 98,282 crores. Coming to the project and operational updates on major businesses, in our Adani New Industries green hydrogen ecosystem, our target of 10 gigawatt green hydrogen integrated manufacturing is progressing well. Validating the backward manufacturing integration, we have successfully commissioned India's first ingot and wafer line with capacity of 2 gigawatt. This line will not only reduce dependency on imports, but also enhance better control on module production and prices. ANIL's wind manufacturing division order book stands at 254 sets, and during the first full quarter of operations, the division was able to supply 47 sets. Moving to airports portfolio, we have inaugurated phase 1 of the world-class terminal of Lucknow Airport, which can cater up to 8 million passengers per annum. During the quarter, 10 new routes, 7 new airlines, and 18 new flights were added across all 7 operational airports. Passenger movements at our airports increased by 19% to 88.6 million. Navi Mumbai Airport project is on track for completion in financial year 25. Finally, in our roads portfolio, 4 out of our 10 projects are more than 70% complete, in line with target schedule. The Greenfield Ganga Expressway project is progressing well and is on schedule. This leaves Adani Enterprise Limited well poised to launch its incubating portfolio, eventually as independent listed verticals in their own rights.
And alongside Adani, Green Energy also announced its FY24 results, with a rise in EBITDA coming in at around 7,000 crore rupees, growing 30% on a year-on-year basis. Revenue grew 33% for the same time period. Other key milestones for the company includes an increase in its renewable energy target, which is 50 gigawatts by 2030, and deploying the world's largest RE project in Gujarat. Here's what we got from the executive director at the company, Sagar Adani.
In FY24, we strengthened our market leadership with 2,848 megawatts of greenfield capacity addition, which marks a 35% year-on-year increase. The capacity addition by Adani Green alone accounts for over 15% of India's total renewable capacity addition in FY24. We are developing the world's largest single location renewable energy plant of 30 gigawatts in Khavda. This project will set a blueprint for ultra large scale renewable energy development globally. The project is spread across 538 square kilometers, almost 5 times the city of Paris. and will be completed by 2029. In the same location, we have already operationalized 2 gigawatt solar capacity in FY24, just within 12 months of breaking ground there. I'm glad to share that in FY24, we delivered a robust financial performance across all metrics on a year-on-year basis. Our revenue from power supply increased by 33% to rupees 7,735 crores. Our EBITDA increased by 30% to rupees 7,222 crores. The run rate EBITDA stands at a strong rupees 10,462 crores. Our net debt to run rate EBITDA is at 4x compared to 5.4x last year. Our cash profit has increased by 25% to rupees 3,986 crores. Our consistently high operating performance enabled us to deliver an industry-leading EBITDA margin of 92%. Our investors have also reposed tremendous faith in our strategic vision. AGEL has further strengthened ties with strategic partners and investors, including Total Energies, GQG Partners, and Qatar Investment Authority. We have also refinanced Restricted Group 1 bond with a fresh 18-year bond issuance.
All right, then a robust set of earnings coming in for the Adani Group for Q4. Meanwhile, it's time for us to slip into a quick break, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
In association with State Bank of India, the banker to every Indian. Solid Bank is solid backing.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.